Hi, Jim Eastwood, Global Sales Director. We're here in Manchester Airport for the Manchester Mini Conference as part of our TC Roadshow 2019. Why do we do it? Because the TCs in the Northwest area command and demand that they get brought up to speed with all the tools, the tech, and what they can implement into their business now to help them to grow and succeed. So we've had over 150 TCs and head office staff here at the venue today, learning about our strategy, learning more deeply about our business, and most importantly, learning about them and their business. The theme was me and my business, and they learn about what they can implement into their business for the betterment of their customers. Our TCs, when they get together, are better together, and the TC community thrives off this platform. And the stories that we heard from TCs across the day tell us that we're doing a good job, that TCs have the right tools and the right tech, and they're positioning their businesses really well for the future.
This today mini conference has just been superb. We've had, again, a reminder of all the main things that we should be thinking about, and you think you know them all, but actually get reminded about them when you get a TC and they tell you what has happened as a result of doing those things, and it just reminds you why you're here. So absolutely would recommend everybody should come along to one of the roadshows.